Hey everyone, welcome back to Top Product Reviews. Today we're diving into the world of gardening tools with our roundup of the 10 best pruning shears you can find online. If you've ever struggled with tough branches or wanted your garden to look flawless, these shears are total game changers. From lightweight precision cutters to heavy-duty pruners, I'll break down the features, pros, and why each one might be perfect for your garden. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Fiskars Power Gear Pruning Shears. If you're looking for pruning shears that combine power and precision, the Fiskars Power Gear Pruning Shears are an excellent choice. These shears feature innovative gear technology, which reduces hand effort by up to 3 times compared to traditional pruners. The sharp, hardened steel blades cut cleanly through branches up to 1 inch thick, making your gardening tasks faster and smoother. With their ergonomic, soft grip handles, you'll find them comfortable even during extended use, reducing hand fatigue. The easy-to-use locking mechanism ensures safe storage, and their durable construction means they'll last season after season. Whether you're shaping shrubs, trimming roses, or tackling small trees, these pruners deliver consistent, reliable performance that makes your garden look professional without breaking a sweat. Prune Pro Precision Pruning Shears. For gardeners who love precision, the Prune Pro Precision Pruning Shears are a dream come true. Designed for clean, accurate cuts, these ultra-sharp stainless steel blades glide effortlessly through delicate stems and branches. The non-slip ergonomic handle provides excellent control, making it easier to shape your plants exactly the way you want. Lightweight yet durable, these pruners reduce hand strain even during long gardening sessions. They also come with a secure safety lock to prevent accidental cuts when not in use. Perfect for roses, herbs, or small fruit trees, the Prune Pro Precision Pruning Shears give you a professional quality trimming experience at home. With these in your gardening toolkit, every cut feels precise, smooth, and effortless. Prune Pro Garden Pruning Shears. The Prune Pro Garden Pruning Shears are built for everyday gardening tasks with a focus on durability and comfort. Their high-carbon steel blades remain sharp longer, allowing you to cut branches cleanly without crushing plant tissue. Ergonomic, soft-touch handles are designed to minimize hand fatigue, letting you prune comfortably for extended periods. A secure locking mechanism ensures safety while storing these shears, and their lightweight design makes them easy to maneuver in tight spots. Ideal for trimming shrubs, shaping bonsai, or harvesting flowers, these shears offer versatility without sacrificing performance. Gardeners of all skill levels will appreciate the smooth cutting action and reliable build quality. These shears make maintaining a neat, healthy garden effortless and enjoyable. Professional Titanium Pruning Shears. Professional titanium pruning shears are perfect for gardeners seeking long-lasting durability combined with superior cutting power. The titanium-coated blades resist rust and corrosion while maintaining a razor-sharp edge, ensuring clean cuts every time. The ergonomic, non-slip handles provide maximum comfort and control, reducing hand fatigue during repetitive tasks. These pruners excel at cutting thicker branches up to 1 inch with minimal effort, making them suitable for both decorative plants and fruit trees. Their lightweight design enhances precision and ease of use, while the secure locking mechanism ensures safety when storing. With their professional-grade build and stylish finish, these pruning shears offer an exceptional gardening experience, blending efficiency, comfort, and long-term reliability for every gardener. Kainup Heavy-Duty Pruning Shears. If heavy-duty cutting is what you need, Kainup Heavy-Duty Pruning Shears are up to the task. Built for strength and durability, these shears feature high-quality stainless steel blades capable of tackling branches up to 1.25 inches thick without effort. The ergonomic anti-slip handles ensure a comfortable grip and reduce hand fatigue during prolonged pruning sessions. A secure locking mechanism keeps the blades closed when not in use, making storage safe and convenient. Perfect for rose bushes, shrubs, and small trees, these pruners are designed to provide consistent, precise cuts. Gardeners who need a reliable, long-lasting tool for tough jobs will find Kainup Heavy-Duty Pruning Shears an essential addition to their gardening toolkit. Professional Bypass Garden Pruners. Professional bypass garden pruners are crafted for clean, precise cuts every time. Featuring razor-sharp stainless steel blades, they glide smoothly through branches and stems without crushing plant tissue, keeping your garden healthy. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip that minimize hand strain during long trimming sessions. A secure locking mechanism ensures safety while not in use. These pruners are lightweight yet strong, capable of handling a variety of plants, from delicate flowers to small shrubs. Perfect for home gardeners and enthusiasts alike, they combine durability, ease of use, and professional-grade precision. With these pruners in your toolkit, maintain maintaining a neat, vibrant garden has never been easier or more enjoyable. Titanium Bypass Pruning Shears. Titanium Bypass Pruning Shears offer a perfect combination of strength and precision. The titanium-coated blades stay sharper longer and resist rust, ensuring clean cuts with minimal effort. These pruners are ideal for trimming branches, flowers, and shrubs, giving your plants a professional, polished look. Ergonomic handles provide excellent grip and comfort, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Their lightweight design allows easy maneuvering in tight spots, while the safety lock keeps blades secure when stored. Durable and reliable, these shears are suitable for both casual gardeners and serious enthusiasts. With titanium bypass pruning shears, every cut feels smooth and controlled, helping you maintain a healthy, beautiful garden all year round. Eden Bypass Pruning Shears. Eden Bypass Pruning Shears are designed for precision and comfort, making them a go-to tool for gardeners of all levels. Featuring razor-sharp stainless steel blades, these pruners cut cleanly through stems and small branches, promoting healthy plant growth. Ergonomic handles reduce hand strain, providing a secure, comfortable grip during extended gardening sessions. A convenient safety lock ensures safe storage when the shears are not in use. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, they allow you to tackle intricate pruning tasks without effort. Perfect for roses, herbs, and decorative shrubs, Eden Bypass Pruning Shears deliver reliable, professional quality results. With their durable construction and smooth cutting action, these pruners make maintaining a beautiful, healthy garden enjoyable and stress-free. Titanium Bypass Pruning Shears. For gardeners seeking durability and precision, titanium bypass pruning shears are an excellent choice. Their titanium-coated blades resist rust and maintain sharpness, providing clean, effortless cuts on branches and stems. Ergonomic handles offer a comfortable grip that reduces hand fatigue during extended pruning sessions. Lightweight yet sturdy, these pruners are perfect for delicate flowers, small shrubs, and medium-sized branches. A secure safety lock ensures safe storage, making them ideal for both home gardeners and enthusiasts. With their professional-grade build and ease of use, long-term reliability is combined for every gardener. Durox Ratchet Pruning Shears. Durox Ratchet Pruning Shears are perfect for gardeners who need maximum cutting power with minimal effort. These innovative ratchet mechanism multiplies your force, making it easy to trim thicker branches without straining your hands. The sharp, high-quality steel blades ensure clean, precise cuts that promote plant health. Ergonomic, non-slip handles provide comfort during prolonged use, while a secure locking mechanism makes storage safe and hassle-free. Ideal for shrubs, roses, and small trees, these pruners combine strength, precision, and convenience in one tool. With Durox Ratchet Pruning Shears, tough pruning jobs become effortless, giving you a professional quality gardening experience without fatigue or frustration. And that's a wrap on our roundup of the 10 best pruning shears. Each of these tools offers unique features. Whether you're looking for precision, heavy-duty cutting, or ergonomic comfort, choosing the right pruning shear can make your gardening tasks faster, easier, and much more enjoyable. Don't forget to check the links in the description to see prices, availability, and more details about each product. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Top Product Reviews, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews.